Today we are going to be making cranberry nut bread. It's great tasting bread. It's a holiday favorite. It looks festive and it's very easy to make. We're going to start out with 2 cups of flour. This is plain flour. And I can't believe it don't have butter in it. And we're going 1 cup of sugar. And we're going, this has got 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to put that in there. Let's stir it around a little bit. And we're going to put in 3/4 cup of orange juice. This tastes so good, y'all. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of shortening. 1 egg, slightly beaten. And 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Boy, it sure did smell good when I was zesting that thing. Whew. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna stir it. Scrape down the sides. Oh, this stuff smells so good. Anything orange. And it be, you know, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. And I took 1.5 cups of fresh cranberries, but I have used frozen cranberries and I've used dried, and I put them in a little bit. I washed them off, and then I put them in a little bit, a couple of tablespoons of flour, just to coat them, because if you don't, they'll all sink to the bottom. So this is 1.5 cups of cranberries that I've cut in half. Most of them anyway. I'm going to fold them in. Get them good and stirred. And then I've got 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Fold that in. We got our oven preheated to 350. And we're going to bake it for 55 minutes or check it. Depends on how hot your oven gets. I would check it at 50. We're going to level it. And we're going to put it in the oven for 55 minutes, but I would check it at 50. The cranberry nut bread is out of the oven. Oh, it smells wonderful. Look here, y'all. It smells wonderful and sure is heavy too. So we gotta let it cool before we can take it out. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching my videos. And as always, God bless. Go check my Etsy store out for Aunt Sandy's merchandise.